Let's talk about the differences between modeling a relational database and modeling a document database. In a relational database, we have table, row, and column. At the design stage, a table is an entity, a row is a tuple, and a column is an attribute. When the design is implemented, they become table, row, and column. A collection to a document database is a table to a relational database. A document to a document database is a row to a relational database. A field to a document database is a column to a relational database. They both have indexes. The concept of SQL join for a relational database is implemented by using either the embedding or referencing technique for a document database. Simply speaking, embedding is denormalization. It promotes data redundancy. Referencing is normalization. It avoids data redundancy. When we design a document database, if we use the referencing technique, we can use the lookup command to get data from multiple documents. From a high level, simply speaking, a document database promotes data redundancy. A relational database avoids data redundancy. Let's look at one example. This is a database design for customers. Here, we have the design for a relational database. We have 7 entities. This design will avoid data redundancy. This is the MongoDB database design for the same customer's database. We are using the embedding technique here. We can see all data about a customer is included in this customer document. When we design a MongoDB database or a document database, whether we need to use the embedding technique or the referencing technique will depend on how the database data will be used in the future. Generally speaking, when we design a document database, we tend to use the embedding technique more often than the referencing technique. At the end, simply speaking, a document database promotes data redundancy. The redundant data could improve the query performance, but the redundant data could also cause potential data integrity issues. On the other hand, a relational database would avoid data redundancy. This is the end of our discussion.